Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a GM certified 2016 Buick LaCrosse Sport Touring. Stock number X394XX. Only 18,000 miles on this one owner. Clean auto check history report. Ebony Twilight metallic in color. To be GM certified, the vehicle goes through a very strict 172-point inspection, giving you the balance of a 4-year, 50,000 mile bumper to bumper and a 6-year, 100,000 mile powertrain warranty. You also receive an additional 12-month, 12,000 mile bumper to bumper and 2 years or 24,000 miles of scheduled maintenance. LaCrosse is in the large car class, seats 5, leather interior, lots of legroom for the rear passengers. Split seat back folds down to accommodate longer cargo items. The LaCrosse is a very safe vehicle, 5-star front and side government crash rating, with advanced safety features like forward collision alert, blind spot monitoring, cross path detection, along with backup camera and rear parking sensors. Nice size trunk, wide opening makes it easy to get things in and out, and removable cargo net, perfect for keeping smaller items secure, and very clean, no dents or dings in the body. The Sport Touring has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, 11-speaker Bose sound system, power seats, along with the tilt and telescopic steering wheel that puts you in that perfect driving position. Start. Heads-up display so you can keep your eyes on the road. Large, easy-to-read gauges. Again, only 18,000 miles. Cruise control. It's also where you set the forward collision alert. Steering wheel mounted audio controls so you can keep your hands on the wheel. Large touchscreen infotainment system. For radio. It's also satellite radio capable. Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. Navigation. And this is, of course, where the backup camera display is. Dual zone climate control with heated front seats. 6-speed automatic transmission with manual shift capability. Lots of storage in the armrest. USB and auxiliary input allows you to connect mobile media devices. Spacious glove box with all the owner's materials inside. Overhead, auto dimming mirror, and home link transmitter for garage door opener. Under the hood, this LaCrosse has a 3.6 liter direct injection V6, 304 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the car. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 18 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 28 on the highway, and approximately 50% of the tire tread left. Don't forget about that GM certification, protecting your investment. For more information, please go to Sheboygan Auto.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.